Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about present perfect tense. In this lecture we will talk about the structure of present perfect tense and all those situations where we can use present perfect tense. So let's move. The first thing is the structure of present perfect tense. While making the structure of present perfect, there are three kinds of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogatives. In affirmative sentences, we use the structure. First of all, we use the noun, the subject, noun or pronouns, he, she, I, we, they, you. These are the subjects. We use the subject, the helping verb, has and have. And after this, we use the third form of the verb, past participle. He, she has eaten. I, we have eaten. They, you have eaten. The next structure is negative sentences. To convert the affirmative into negative, we use the word not after helping verb. This one, that is blue in color, is the not. For example, he, she has not eaten. I, we have not eaten. They, you have not eaten. The third structure, interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative. The first kind is which has the answer yes and no. These are called helping verb structures. We use the helping verb has and have in the start, in the beginning, to convert into sentences. Has she, has he eaten? And the answer will be yes, she has, or no, she has not. Similarly, have I, we eaten? Have they, you eaten? And the answer will be no, I, we, they, you have not eaten, or I, we, they, you have eaten. The other kind of interrogative sentence is comprehensive. To make comprehensive questions, what, when, why, how, where, etc. are used, and after that the word has, have we use, and third form of the verb we use, and in the end we use object. For example, why have you written on the book? Why is used to talk about the reason. When we use this structure, the person will have to answer in detail. For example, here we have used the word why, and the listener will give the reason. Why have you written on the book? And he will tell the reason. What is the reason he has written? I hope you might have understood the structure of present perfect. And now we go forward to the usage of present perfect. These are the situations where we use present perfect tense. The first situation is the action which shows the perfection of completion of something. When something has completed, something has been done, we use present perfect tense. For example, we have built a new house. It means we have completed the construction. Now the house is complete. The work is over. Second example, she has made her doll. She has made her doll. She has completed the doll. Now there is no more work to make the dolls. She has completed. She has done. Third example, The carpenter has repaired the chair. He has made the chairs. He has completed the chair. No more work. They have played the match. The match has ended. Someone has lost or someone has won. Match has ended. The next situation is the things which have a while ago happened. A few seconds. 1 second ago. A while ago. Just 1 or 2 minutes ago. For example, he has just gone. It means it is not long times. He has just gone. A few seconds ago. 1 or 2 minutes ago he has gone. He has just gone. I have just come. A few minutes before. A few minutes ago I come. 1 minute ago. 2 minutes ago. Okay. 3 minutes ago. So we have just come. A while ago. A very little time ago. Next example. Where has he gone? He was here a while ago. In this example, the person who is asking the question, just a few minutes ago he saw him. But just after 2 minutes he came and he saw that the person was not there. So he has asked, where has he gone? It means he is talking about something happened while ago. The next usage is for all those actions whose time is not definite when you did them. Many things we have done in our life, we have done, but we don't know when we did those things. So for all those actions, for all those things which we did sometime in some part of the world, we can use present perfect to describe that actions. For example, I have read this novel, but I don't remember the story. It means that the person who is talking about the novel, he has read this novel, but he don't remember the story. It means that sometime in the past, that is not definite when he read that story, but he read. So we can describe the action whose time is not definite. When we did that action, we can use present perfect tense. I have read this novel, but I don't remember the story. Have you had breakfast? Means sometime that is not definite time you did your breakfast. Have you had breakfast? Next usage is all those actions which just happened. Not very long ago, but just happened. Few minutes ago happened. The lift has broken. It means you are working with something and now that thing has broken. It means while some person was busy on doing something and there something happened. It has just happened. The lift has broken. Call the mechanic. The guests have come. The guests have come means now they are sitting in the drawing room. They have just come. I have called him. It means maybe I will come within few minutes after. I have called him. He is just coming. I am waiting for him. The next situation, action with yet, already, ever, never, lately and recently. These words can also be used with the perfect actions. For example, have you ever read the novel? We have used the word ever. Have you ever read the novel? He hasn't come yet. We have used the word yet here. He hasn't come yet. I have never read a horror story. I have never. We have used the word never. And next example, he already has called his friend. And here we use the word already. So the action which have been completed, we can use the word yet, already, ever, never, lately, and recently. The next usage is for those actions whose time has not yet passed. Yes, this is the very important point of present perfect. We have done things, but their actual time has not been passed. For example, if I say, I have eaten 2 breads today, it means the time of today is still left before 12 of night. Maybe I have eaten these 2 breads at noon, in the morning, or in my dinner. I have eaten 2 breads, but it is the talk about eating breads just before 12th of night, before midnight. Understand? The time of today has not yet passed. Okay, the date has not changed. It means the date has not changed. Next example, I have won first prize this year. It means before January the 1st. Means this year, this may be February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, but before 1st January of the next year. This year means the year has not passed. Okay, I have won first prize this year. This is the very typical years that has not passed yet. The next example, I have got full marks in the test. When you say I have got full marks in the test, it means the time of the test has not yet passed. It means you are still in the class in the same period. For example, if you are in mathematics period and you are talking about I have got full marks in the test, it means it is still the same period. It is still the period of mathematics. Period has not changed yet. So the main reason I have already told, for those actions whose time has not yet passed. Okay, if the time has passed, we can't say it in present perfect. The next usage, sometime for habitual action. Sometime for habitual action, some action which a person performed habitually or he still performs, we can use present perfect. For example, he has always replied me in time. It means it is his habit. He never replied me late. He has always replied me in time. Next example, he has never come early. He never came early. It's his habit. He comes late. So we can say he has never come early. Next usage is for actions that are continuous rather than repeated. There are some actions in our life that we don't repeat, but they are continuous. There may be some strong reason behind their continuity. There may be some problem, some accident or some compulsion. For example, since that accident, I have written with my left hand. Since that accident, I have written with my left hand. It means writing with left hand is continuous. It's not repeated. Second example, I have worn glasses since my childhood. It means due to some problem, the action has become continuous. The action is still progress. It's never broke. So, continuity of action rather than repetition is used in present perfect. I hope you might have learned the usage of present perfect. So the lecture ends here. Thank you.